Gospel Life Family Church. Gospel Life Family Church.
Greetings. Shalom. Good day. Hope I find you well from all walks of life. As per promise, we are here today. My name is Prophet Gift Jova from Gospel Life Family International Church. We have come to discuss issues that has to do with names. Like I had already mentioned earlier on our earlier clip that has been making rounds, we mentioned that you're going to touch the issues of names. And all that you're going to be doing on this channel is to share matters of life. So we have a number of subjects that you're going to touch. God willing, we shall be together for a very long journey. For a very, very long journey. So starting from today, we are coming your way to talk about names and places that are cursed, realizing that there are people of God, they are children of God, or whether they belong to a church or they belong to God and they don't have a church. You realize that we all put efforts for things that we want to see happening in life. You look at your life where you are today, you want to push ahead, you want to do better, you put hard work. Some believe in sweating for what they have. Some believe in the grace of God for what they have. Some believe in both. So having put all those things in place, there are moments where you sit down, you look back, like right now, we're already in November. We're about to wrap this year, 2025.